Alright, so just wanted to do an update video on the XPR Templar X. It's been a great bike so far. Has the adjustable suspension, the PE 30mm nibby carb, adjustable suspension, slightly bent front rim, which I contacted them last week. It is Tuesday now, and they've already got a new front wheel and tire shipped. Hopefully there's a tire and a new one of these shipped, because it does stick and you get to like play with it to get it to come out. But took it off road for the first time today. A little trail on my way home. It was nice. Almost ate shit, so I was like, all right, I'm good, I'm gonna head out. Y'all know with these, the XPR X or whatever you call it, it has a left and a right tank. So running on kind of low fuel today on my way to work, and I was going at about 63 when it tops out. I don't just keep it at 63 too. I just kind of vary a few miles per hour, but the bike just cut off. Scared the shit out of me because I'm on the side of the highway. This bike only tops out at about 60, like I said, so it's not necessarily keeping up with traffic. And pulled up the side of the road, checked my fuel, and one side looked a little low. This side did, because that's where I had the selector switch at. Flipped it over to this side and made it to base, and put some gas in it. I put Supreme in it. We'll see how that helps it run. I've been putting regular just out of habit, but I heard it's better to run Supreme in these bikes with the carbs and whatnot. Yeah, other than that, it's good. I did run into an issue yesterday. I was riding for like 15 minutes and stopped, checked my phone. I had turned the bike off, I was in the parking lot, and it just didn't turn back on. It was having trouble. It was like the battery was being sluggish or something. I don't know. It scared me because I was like, oh, great, you know, have to call somebody, come pick it up, whatnot. And kept fucking with it and eventually started again. So I don't really know what that was about. Kind of sucks, but as you can tell, I have 150 miles on it already. I really need to change the oil on this. I've obviously changed out the shipping oil, but now that I've got 150 on it, you know, I need to change it out. And I want to say this chain has a little bit of slack in it. I can hear it whenever I'm driving, so I don't know if I'm supposed to or not. But yeah, I still need to change out to the smaller rear sprocket. That's a 49 tooth. I have a 47, I think. And looking at it now, I probably should have went with something smaller than a 47, like maybe even a 40, like, because not being able to keep up with traffic is not very good, especially as a beginner rider. But yeah, other than that, I'd like to do little odds and ends things here and there, like wire this shit up better to where the inserts are like actually like enclosed, and you know, no water and mud and whatnot can get in there. And then obviously, you know, hide it up a little bit better. I'd also like, I need to adjust the headlight. You probably won't be able to tell, but you see it right there, high beam. But when I was riding at night, because I had to last night, down to O'Reilly's, get a part for my car, it just did not shine on the road very well. So I need to adjust it, which you can. There's like a little set screw in there, kind of like your car's headlight. But yeah, I try and start it for y'all real quick. Press the button, hold the phone at the same time. See, look, see it sticking in there? But fuck with it to get it to come out. I didn't realize it was stuck in there whenever I stopped on the side of the highway when it died on me. So I had to figure out what it was doing, started it, drove off, and then I noticed it would like almost die. And I got to base, and I was going to the gate, and I was like, what is it doing? And I noticed this was stuck in there. So anytime I'd pull the brake, the battery voltage would go down. yeah, as you can tell, I don't really care about my neighbors, you know. But yeah, you know, so far it's been a good bike. I have been looking into the FMF exhaust. I know Mike, he put one on his. He doesn't have the X same version as mine. He has a smaller one. He's gonna be putting one on his. They're just expensive, man. They're like $260, and you know, I don't really want to buy that before I buy gear, if you know what I mean, because this is all I got right now. Some Carhartt coveralls and an Ariat jacket, but it's like barely gets above 50 here in Washington, so I'd like I said, FMF exhaust, change out the rear sprocket, get that front wheel replaced, and then the ignition switch replaced, and it should be good. Nothing much else I can really talk about it. I will get y'all a ride along video. I'm pretty sure y'all are waiting for that. I will definitely get y'all one. I want to get a new helmet, get a GoPro mount, you know, do the whole 9, because right now all I have is the little chest mount piece. So yeah, and I still need to get rid of that crap. But yeah, other than that, it's been a great bike. I'll catch you on the next one.